Enter the amount you would like to send in here. You can see the exchange rate here on the top, which says $1 is equivalent to 55 pesos and 2 cents. Click continue to proceed. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring the notification bell. Let's first download and install the Skrill app from Google Play Store. Once done, open the app to start creating your account. If you already have an account, use the login option to start sending money. If not, let's proceed with the registration and verification of your account. Click the registration button. Select the email you want to use. Complete the registration by providing your details on the following pages. After completion, you will be asked to set your 6-digit PIN code and then confirm the PIN code. I'll click agree here to proceed. What we need to do is transfer, so I'm going to click transfer internationally. Click continue to start adding your information as the sender. Enter your full address, date of birth, and phone number. Click continue to proceed. On the birthday field, change your birth year by clicking here. Then select your birth month and then your birthday. Click continue. Click send SMS to receive a code to verify your phone number. Once you have received the 6-digit verification code on your phone, enter it here. Then click verify. And verification is done. Click continue so we can proceed.
Click transfers below. Then select international money transfer right here.
Currently, it's set in US dollar and Indian rupee. But for this video, I'll use the US dollar. To send money to the Philippines, click here and change to Philippine Peso or PHP. To send to a GCash account, simply change bank account to GCash. Below is where you can select either to use debit card or credit card to fund your transfer. Enter the amount you would like to send in here. You can see the exchange rate here on the top, which says $1 is equivalent to 55 pesos and 2 cents. Click continue to proceed. I'll select salary here. We can select any option here, and so I'll just select send to myself for this tutorial. Enter the details of the recipient in these fields. Review your account details here and your recipient details below. Click continue to add your card details on the next page, and then finalize your transaction.
Type your card information in these fields, review your card info, and click the pay button below to process your payment.
In this part of the tutorial, we will be changing or removing the permissions for the Skrill app. Find the settings, type the Skrill app, open it, and click permission. You can change the permission in this area from allowed to either ask every time or not allowed. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will be seeing you in my next video. Bye!